Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today's recipe is very practical and incredibly delicious for you. I bought 1 cup of bulgur bowl for meatballs. I add 1 cup of hot water to it. Our measurement is perfect. I cover it and rest it for 15 minutes. I mix my rested bulgur with a spoon. I add 1 boiled potato and spices on it and knead it with my hand. I added salt, black pepper, cumin, and chili pepper as a spice. One tablespoon of flour after kneading a little. 1 egg. And add the garlic that I grated to teeth. I knead my hand by wetting it from time to time. Water adjusts the consistency of our meatballs. You can sprinkle water with your hand. I kneaded my meatballs well. I take pieces the size of marbles from my meatballs and roll them with my hand. I sprinkled some flour on it so that it wouldn't stick to each other. I put some water in my pot and it boiled. I add some salt in it. I slowly add my meatballs to the boiling water without distributing it. I'm waiting for my meatballs to boil. I prepare the sauce while my meatballs are boiling on the other side. I put 3 tablespoons of oil in my pan. I added 1 tablespoon of tomato paste and roasted my tomato paste a little. I add very little water and 1 clove of grated garlic and cook my sauce over low heat. My meatballs are cooked. I take them on my serving plate. After my meatballs get a little cold, I roll them over the yogurt and the sauce I prepared. Bon appetit to those who will try this much from me today. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment and like. See you in brand new and practical recipes.